Join me as I dive into the world of sardines and challenge myself to eat them every day for a week to see just how many health benefits I can uncover. Sardines are often overlooked, but they're packed with surprising health benefits that make them a superfood worth incorporating into our diets. Despite their small size, sardines have gotten a bad representative over the years, with many people thinking they're unhealthy or unappealing. Some might imagine them as oily, salty, and smelly, but the reality is that they're a powerhouse of nutrition. Many of the concerns surrounding sardines are simply myths or misconceptions that need to be debunked. One of the biggest misconceptions about sardines is that they're high in mercury, but the truth is that they have some of the lowest mercury levels among fish, making them a safe choice for frequent consumption. Others might think that sardines are too salty, but they're actually relatively low in sodium, especially when compared to other types of canned fish. And yes, they do have a strong smell, but that's largely due to their high concentration of omega-3 fatty acids. Another myth is that sardines are boring or unpalatable, but that's simply not true. They're an incredibly versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to pasta sauces, and they have a rich, meaty flavor that's sure to please even the pickiest of eaters. Sardines are an incredible source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, brain function, and even reducing inflammation. They're also packed with protein, making them a great option for those looking to increase their protein intake without breaking the bank. And if that's not enough, they're also a rich source of vitamins like calcium, vitamin D, and selenium. One of the best things about sardines is that they're an incredibly sustainable food source. They're low on the food chain, which means they require minimal resources to catch and process, and they're abundant in the wild, making them a great choice for those looking to reduce their environmental impact. Plus, they're widely available and affordable, making them a great option for people from all walks of life. But what really sets sardines apart is their unique combination of nutrients and antioxidants. They contain a powerful antioxidant called astaxanthin, which has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and even helps reduce the signs of aging. And when you combine that with their high levels of omega-3s, you get a food that's truly unparalleled in terms of its health benefits. One of the most surprising health benefits of sardines is their role in heart health. The omega-3s found in sardines have been shown to reduce triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and even reduce the risk of heart disease. But what's even more surprising is that they've also been shown to improve bone density, making them a great option for those looking to reduce their risk of osteoporosis. Sardines have also been shown to improve brain function and reduce the risk of depression. The omega-3s found in sardines are essential for brain health, and studies have shown that people who consume them regularly are less likely to experience depression and anxiety. But perhaps the most surprising benefit of sardines is their ability to improve eye health. The antioxidants found in sardines have been shown to reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, making them a great option for those looking to protect their vision as they age. In conclusion, sardines are a superfood that deserves a spot in our diets. From their high levels of omega-3s to their surprising benefits for heart health, bone density, and eye health, it's clear that they're a nutritional powerhouse that's worth incorporating into our daily lives. Thanks for watching, and if you've had a great experience with sardines, be sure to share it with me in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about healthy eating tips, be sure to check out my next video for some surprising ways to boost your nutrition.